Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick little tutorial about how to find a church event on YouVersion. So just go ahead and launch YouVersion. You'll be on your home screen. And if you notice down there on the right bottom corner, there's the three little bars with more. Go ahead and click that and then click events. This will show you if you have any events in your area. I'm going to search for Jasper First Baptist and hit enter. Today is Wednesday, so we don't have any events going on right now. This is Wednesday evening. It does show you some events that are kind of close to you. If you scroll down, you'll see things like in this example, you'll see Maryville and Clarksville and Statesboro and Bridgeport. So just a few examples and things like that. After you find your event on Sunday, after your church posts one, then you can save it. As you can see on April 26th, here's an example of the notes that I saved from Jasper First. It's got all the scripture and the notes and the outline as we followed Pastor Greg. You can add your notes, you can share the events, you can export the content. So hope that helped.